Hey, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. Today, we're taking a close look at Muse. I've been surprised by how versatile this whiteboard app is. Think of it like a version of Freeform, where you can build projects within projects within projects. Muse can be used in many different ways, but predominantly offers a creative way to develop your ideas, using photos, videos, text, web links, and PDFs. By allowing space for all of these mediums to come together, you're given the freedom to express your thoughts and link them together with relevant data. Muse is available on macOS and iPadOS, but today we'll be using it on the Mac. If you're using Muse through Setup, you can sign in here, and it will automatically give you Pro access through your subscription. Muse opens with a demo page that outlines a lot of its amazing features. But we're going to be more interactive in this video, so I'll start by creating a brand new workspace. Feel free to check out this page in your own time though. Head up to the top left corner and click on Untitled Workspace. Then select Add Workspace. Now we have a blank space, and the text field at the top is already selected, so we can name this workspace. Now we've got that sorted, I'm going to take you through actually building out a workspace, starting with the different kinds of things we can add into it. Looking at the bottom row of icons, these are all shortcuts to different kinds of media that we can add in. For instance, if I click the photo icon, it opens directly into your Photos app library. This can be the same library that's synced with your iCloud, so you'll likely see photos in here from your phone or from your iPad. You can also add photos from folders. So I'll click on the document icon to the right-hand side, and this opens a Finder window. Animated GIFs are supported, so I'll select one and hit open. Notice that nothing has happened, except our cursor now has a green plus button next to it. Muse always gives you positioning control over your content, so it's allowing us to navigate wherever we want to place this, then click to drop it in. I'll click it again to select it, and like any window, I can resize it by clicking and dragging on the corner. Any media can be removed by right-clicking on it, heading down, and selecting Delete. Let's head back to Documents, and this time I'll add a photo in. One of my cat tacos seems appropriate. Now this is a live photo, but it's not acting that way within Muse, and I just wanted to illustrate that. Because it's not an animated GIF, it won't provide the same motion. Now I'll head back and add a video in for good measure. Videos, unlike animated GIFs, actually have a play button, so they start paused. Simply click on the video to pause it again. They also have their file name suspended above the video. We can double-click on this to rename it. Let's add some actual documents in now, like a PDF. I'll use one of the first articles I wrote for the Screencasts Online magazine. This PDF has many pages. When it's placed onto a board though, it looks more like a thumbnail, one that we can double-click on to expand. I can view all the pages in the document now. Head back to the board by clicking the arrows in the top left corner. I'll resize this PDF, then start adding some Muse-specific content into our board. The first of which are text blocks. They can be found by selecting the A icon at the left of the bottom bar. As with everything else, click wherever you'd like to type, and then just go for it. I'll create a list containing some of my fellow presenters. For each new line, I'll hit return, and it creates a brand new block. I don't have to type anything in a block. If I continue to hit return, it creates what look like new lines, but are in fact more blocks.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.